Hello guys, my name is Jeet Singh and I bought this TIMEX watch from Flipkart. I ordered it 3 days ago something, and they told me that it will take 5 to 6 days to come, but thanks to Flipkart it actually came 3 days later. And actually the box is empty because the watch is in my hand. Wait, let me wait.
अरे बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो, बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो.
Is it in focus? Okay, so that is the watch which I bought. It's a Timex leather watch, something analog leather watch. I got it for just 490 rupees. Maybe 40 rupees delivery charge. Actually, it's 450 rupees to be honest, without delivery charge. If I was a Flipkart Plus member, then it will charge 450 rupees. But as you know, it cost 490 rupees. But the main fact is not that. The main fact is its current price is, wait, let me check. Its current price is 899 rupees. I got it at almost half. No, 899 if the price, 900, 450, half price. There is sale called Big Billion Days. I got it from there. I was a little worried about this quality product. In my life, I never wear a 500 rupees watch. But the quality I get it from this, amazing. We're middle class. So that is more than sufficient. इसे तो मैं अभी 4-5 साल तो चलाने ही वाला हूँ, पूरी ज़िंदगी चलाने वाला हूँ. So let's talk about the box contents. There is a cushion. What do you call it? Cushion. And there is a love letter for me. Nothing much. And this was attached in here. Okay, we got a something. This is not a warranty card. Okay, you'll get a virtual warranty card. You have to just download Timex India app. There are some instruction you have to follow, which is written on that. And that's, oh yeah, this is some protections. This is the screen protector, glass protector, and this is the locker or something, lock or something. This locks the crown, you know, here, so the battery will not drain. So yeah, unboxing is done, and my first impression is quite a good. Not quite a good. Very nice watch, really. They called it genuine leather. Well, I think so. I'll post a long-term review of that. Stay with me. I mean, subscribe my channel and stay with me, not stay with me. And before ending, I want to tell you, if you have at least 500 rupees and thinking about to buying a watch, a branded watch basically, this is a good option. Not the best option, because the best is nothing. It's just perception. So stay tuned. I will post a long term review of this watch. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टाटा, शब बखेर, गुड नाइट.